8424. What are the characteristics of MIL H5606 hydraulic fluid? A. Light purple color, phosphate ester base, fire resistant, uses butyl rubber seals. B. Blue color, will burn, natural rubber seals. C. Red color, petroleum base, will burn, synthetic rubber seals. The correct answer is C. MIL H5606 hydraulic fluid is a petroleum-based hydraulic fluid that is red in color. It has a low flash point, which means it can ignite easily, and is not fire-resistant. It is compatible with synthetic rubber seals, but not with natural rubber seals. 8425. What are the characteristics of MIL H7644 hydraulic fluid? A. Red color, petroleum base, will burn, synthetic rubber seals. B. Light purple color, phosphate ester base, fire-resistant, butyl rubber seals. C. Blue color, vegetable base, will burn, natural rubber seals. The correct answer is C. MIL H7644 hydraulic fluid is a specific type of hydraulic fluid that is blue in color and classified as a vegetable-based fluid. It is important to note that MIL H7644 hydraulic fluid is combustible and can burn under certain conditions. Therefore, it should be used with caution and in conjunction with components that are compatible with this type of fluid. Specifically, components with natural rubber seals are recommended for use with MIL H7644 hydraulic fluid, as natural rubber exhibits good compatibility with vegetable-based fluids. Proper compatibility between the fluid and seals helps ensure optimal performance and longevity of the hydraulic system. 8426. What will happen if phosphate ester-base hydraulic fluid is used in an aircraft hydraulic system that requires mineral-based hydraulic fluid? A. No effect. B. System will be contaminated, fluids will not blend, and the seals will fail. C. System will be contaminated, fluids will not blend, but there will be no seal problem. The correct answer is B. Hydraulic fluids have different chemical properties, and it is important to use the appropriate fluid recommended by the manufacturer for a specific hydraulic system. Phosphate ester-base hydraulic fluid and mineral-based hydraulic fluid have different chemical compositions. So if phosphate ester-base hydraulic fluid is used in an aircraft hydraulic system that requires mineral-based hydraulic fluid, the fluids will not blend and will contaminate the system. Additionally, the different chemical properties can cause the seals to fail, resulting in leakage and potential system failure. 8427. What is the recommended fluid to flush a system that is normally serviced with MIL H5606 hydraulic fluid? A. Methyl ethyl ketone or kerosene. B. Naphtha or Varsol. C. Lacquer thinner or trichloroethylene. The correct answer is B. Naphtha or Varsol can be used as flushing agents to clean a hydraulic system that is typically serviced with MIL H5606 hydraulic fluid. These solvents can effectively remove contaminants, residues, and old fluid from the system. It is important to follow proper safety precautions and manufacturer guidelines when using these solvents for flushing. After flushing, the system should be thoroughly dried and then refilled with the appropriate MIL H5606 hydraulic fluid to ensure proper operation and performance. 8428. How can components containing phosphate ester-base hydraulic fluid be cleaned? A. Stoddard solvent. B. Naphtha. C. Carbon tetrachloride. The correct answer is A. Systems that utilize Skydrol fluid should be flushed using trichloroethylene, which is an effective solvent for removing Skydrol fluid from the system. Components that contain Skydrol fluid can be cleaned using Stoddard solvent, methyl ethyl ketone, MEK, or isopropyl alcohol. These solvents are suitable for cleaning Skydrol, contaminated parts, and ensuring proper maintenance and performance of the hydraulic system. It is important to adhere to safety guidelines and disposal regulations when handling these solvents.